Hello from Paris. Delivering another MEDDIC session yesterday. Now I'm in a very special location. It's supposed to be the most beautiful Starbucks in the world, isn't it? Today I want to reflect about how we learn things. If you have noticed for yourself, we learn things when it is repeated to us. The same concept or the same lesson or the same experience repeated to us helps us learning things better and faster and in an efficient way. Now, if you repeat the same thing in the same format, the same way, it becomes boring. We will lose interest in the subject. So the key here is to get the same content, the same information, the same lesson in different formats, in different ways. And that's what we are seeing in an amazing way with MEDDIC Academy. When we deliver a MEDDIC session, a sales training during a sales kickoff, it seems that it is much more efficient and well practiced after when it is done right after an e-learning session, where prior to the sales kickoff, reps go through our e-learning online courses, so that the time which is spent during this session in person, first of all, we repeat the same thing and obviously slightly differently, even if we use some of the same slides, and then the workshop, which even helps them practice. It's called blended learning, and a lot of research have proven that it's efficient. But I'm not referring to any research about blended learning, which is supposedly the best learning experience. We are really seeing it, experiencing it every day, including the one I just delivered in Paris. Go blended learning, go MEDDIC. Thanks.